Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to install and configure Active Directory Federation services. Active Directory Federation services simplifies access to systems and applications using a claims-based access that help IT organizations collaborate across organizational boundaries. It provides users with single sign-in access to systems and applications located across organizational boundaries. For this tutorial, I'm using three servers, server 1, server 2, server 3, and server 3 is connected to the server 2 domain. Come to server 1, open Active Directory users and computers, expand this, users. Here we need to create one user with admin's privileges. Next, next, finish. Now we need to create one group. My home claim app users. Please select global and security. OK, and double click on this. Come to members, add. OK, add Cherry into this group. Apply. OK. Close the Active Directory. Come to second server. Open DNS. Expand server. Expand forward lookup zone. Now right click on myhome.local. Come to properties. Zone transfers. Please select allow zone transfer. OK. Now come to server 1. Open DNS. Expand this. Right click on forward lookup zone. New zone. Next. Here please select stop zone. Next. Next. In zone name, type myhome.local. Next. Here enter IP of second server. OK. Next. Finish. Now expand forward lookup zone. Select officenet.local, right click, come to properties, come to zone transfers. Here please select allow zone transfers. OK. Now come to second server. DNS, select conditional forwarders, right click, new conditional forwarder. Here type officenet.local, select here, enter the IP address of first server. Okay, now come to properties, edit, cancel. Okay, now come to start, command prompt, run as administrator, ping server 1 officenet.local. Okay, I got the reply from server 1. Now come to server 3, start, open command prompt, ping server 1 dot officenet dot local. Okay, I got reply in both second and third servers. Now close this. Close this. Come out from DNS manager. Come to start, command prompt, similarly for third server. Okay, now close this. Come to server manager, add roles. Please select Active Directory Certificate Services. Next, next. In web server, please select and scroll down. Next, install. Close. Come to start, administrative tools. Open certification authority. Expand this. Select certificate templates. Right click, manage. Scroll down. Select web server. Duplicate template. Here, just change this to. Come to security. Enroll, auto enroll. Apply. OK. Close this. Again come to start, administrative tools, certification authority. Expand this. Select certificate templates. Right click. New certificate template to issue. Scroll down. Select new web server. OK. Close this. Again come to start. Command prompt, run as administrator. Close this, come to start, type mmc, open this, file, add remote snapping, select certificates, add, computer account, next, finish, OK, expand this, select certificates, request new certificate, next, next, select this, change this to common name, here, server 1, apply, OK, enroll, finish, close this, come to start, administrative tools, IS manager, expand this, expand sites, right click, add website, new web, select new web, OK, server 1, officenet dot local, OK, now bindings, add https and selector, server 1, OK, close this, restart, now close this, start Internet Explorer, https server 1, OK, open IS manager, scroll down, direct browsing, enable this, come to sites, new web, direct browsing, OK, now close this, OK, https net dot local, close this, add roles, select Active Directory Federation Services, next, next, select Federation Service, next, 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 install, close, come to second server, add roles, Active Directory Federation Services, next, next, Federation Services, next, 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 install, close, come to third server, roles, add roles, next, Federation Services, next, next, claims where, next, next, scroll down, security, please select Windows Authentication, client certification, mapping authentication, okay, next, install, close, come to first server, start, administrative tools, IS manager, expand this, sites, default website, scroll down, SSL settings, where SSL, accept, apply, come to second server, start, administrative tools, IS manager, sites, select default website, scroll down, SSL settings, file, accept, apply, minimize this, right click, add role service, please select claims aware agent, next, install, Close this. Similarly, come to web server, right click, add role services, scroll down, select client certificate mapping authentication. Next, install. Close. Come to first server, expand roles, expand this, select Active Directory Federation Services, right click, add role services, select Claim Server Agent. Next, install. Close. Similarly, come to web server, add role services, scroll down, in security please select client certificate mapping authentication. Next, install. Close. Come to third server, start, administrative tools, IS manager, expand this, come down, server certificates, create self-signed certificate,